Hello and welcome to my studio. Today is a very exciting day as we paint Marblehead Lighthouse together. This is painting number 1 and there will be many more to follow, but this is a really fun painting to do, so it's going to be great. Before we dig into the actual painting, let's revisit some of what we talked about in videos 2 and 3. In video 3, we all did our own fluid acrylic pour backgrounds, and if you recall, I mentioned that when they dry, they'll look a little different. So these are mine, and they do look a little different, but I'm very, very happy with them. So I hope that you're happy with yours as well. These are 11 inches by 14 inches, and that it's perfectly acceptable size for you to paint on today. If you have something bigger or you have a round canvas, that's fine too. I am going to paint on a 16 by 20 because it'll give me more area to cover, which means it'll be easier for you to see what I'm doing. So additionally, in video number 2, we talked about supplies, and so I wanted to show you how I've set up my palette. So again, the palette is a dinner size plastic disposable plate. So I have a pile of white, 2 blues, a darker blue and a lighter blue. So this is cerulean blue and phthalo blue. You don't have to have those exact colors, but try and get a couple of tones of blue. I have 2 tones of red. One is a crimson, so it's more of a purpley red, and the other one is more of an orangey red. If you don't have 2 reds, I will show you how to make 2 reds when we mix colors. I have a black, a burnt umber, which is just a reddy brown. So again, if you don't have that, we'll mix that. A regular basic brown and a yellow. And I've left the middle open so that we can mix color and play with lots of different shades. I have a squirty bottle of water just as we go along. If we're taking some extra time on a particular area, we keep our acrylic paint wet. We don't want it to get dry before we put it on the canvas. So that's that. We've got some brushes. So we have the 2 sizes of flat, the bigger flat, the smaller flat, and then a round brush. So have that handy. You have your water, so whether you have it in a cup or I have a big bowl here that I use, and a couple of sheets of paper towels. And then you will be all ready to start to paint Marblehead Lighthouse.